Stay-at-Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. So this job opportunity is with Best Western. This is a hotel. I know you all know who Best Western is. If you're taking a vacation and you needed to stay in a hotel, you probably chosen Best Western. So this position is for an IT developer, and this is the hotel property systems, and this is a remote position. So the job purpose is to develop cost-effective information technology solutions by analyzing, designing, programming, monitoring, and or installing system software and or hardware solutions. And you will be increasing the system efficiency and reliability by handling moderately complex tasks and or services. So the essential job duty is to develop cost-effective information regarding their technology solution, and basically you will create, enhance, and maintain the system or software applications by performing moderately complex programming detail duties. You will design, code, debug, test documents, and implement program and approve languages. So basically you are doing the background work for their website. So basically, the experience that you need or the education or skills will be minimum of 2 to 3 years related programming systems analysis experience. You would need a bachelor's degree in computer science or related field or equivalent combination of education and experience. And they may require any combination or all of the following skills, which is Python, JavaScript, Amazon Web Service certifications, Oracle database tools, system performance monitoring, analysis and management, monitoring tools and concepts, Java, RESTful web service, Java persistence APA, MongoDB, and plenty more. So if you come here, you can just read all of the other combinations of skills that you would need. The work location is from home. So if you live in the US, then you can apply for this position. So the starting pay for this role is estimated between 78K and 94K. And the base pay, however, will be determined based on several factors, which include applicable skills, work experience, education, business needs, and market demands. All right, so benefit summary for full-time employees. Will you work 30 plus hours per week? And available day one would be your medical, dental, and vision, vacation, sick, floating days, 401k, your employee discounts and hotel discounts, financial and health wellness programs. So if you are qualified to work this position, it is a remote position. Also, for Best Western, they are one of our felony-friendly positions. So if you have a record, you can apply for this position. If you have a degree, which is awesome, you can apply for this position as well. Again, the position is paying between 78K and 94K. So I think that's a pretty good pay for this position, and to work from home. So basically you're saving money on gas. You don't have to buy work clothes. Like, you're saving money hand over fist. So most of this probably wouldn't even be touched. Okay, so if you're interested in this position, I will go ahead and link it in the description below. It is the IT developer for Best Western. And I also have some other work from home positions. I'll pin those in the comments below. And I also have a playlist of felony friendly jobs. So if you haven't checked that out, please go ahead and check that out. And boss is out.